Okay, this rat trap has just arrived today, a few days after I ordered it. I'll tell you how much it cost in the description of this video, so read underneath that. This little cardboard strip I've just pulled off the box. I'll just film what it says so you can see. Okay, that's that side. And these are the instructions. So they say use chocolate or peanut butter if you've got some. If not, rats will eat just about anything. I'm going to put out a few nuts, a few bits of bread that are mouldy, and also some hedgehog food that's in my hedgehog feeding area there. Anyway, so you're going to need some food to put on the trap, obviously. Use the key to open the box. Alright, there's a little plastic key attached to the box with a little cable tie, so I presume I'm going to have to cut that cable tie to get the key off. There's the hole at the front. Problem is, that size, a little bird could get in there. You could end up killing little birds with this. That is going to be a bit of a problem. And also, a little hedgehog could get in there. So be careful where you set this up. You don't want to end up killing anything other than rats. On the top of the box you can just about see it says caution, do not touch. Apparently rats have got a really good sense of smell. Ah, there we go. I presume that's the bit where you unlock the trap. On the top there, does that fit that? Can't really see yet. Anyway, I'll try that later on. I'm going to put some gloves on before I touch this box too much. So let's just film the rest. Pull the cord to set the trap. Pull the cord? What cord? Haha. I presume it's that. Yeah. I'll turn the box upside down. Okay, so the rat trap is basically cable tied to the bottom of the box. What cord are they talking about? See, the instructions are not completely clear. I mean, perhaps this is what they mean. That looks like it'll just slip out of there. So now you've got that. But I mean, you've got that crappy diagram there. So I presume they're meaning this cable tie bit that comes out the side bottom. It's pretty poor instructions. Check daily, remove caught rodents without the need to open the box or touch. Well, how are you going to get a rat out there without opening the box? Does that make any sense to anybody? Remove caught rodents by using the pull cord to release without the need to open the box. Does that make any sense to anybody? Doesn't make sense to me. How do you get a dead rat out of the box without opening it? Don't get that. Okay, so anyway, I'm now going to put some gloves on and set the trap, and I'll make one more video to show you how I've left it set up. So there you go. From my memory, this was under £10 on the internet. There's another brand that sells them for about £17, but it looks exactly the same kind of thing. So we'll see how this works. You can see it's not completely transparent, but it's clear enough you'd be able to see if there was something in there. So let's see if this works. Right, this is part 1. I'll make a part 2 to show you how I leave it set up, and part 3 will be hopefully with a dead rat in there. Thanks for watching.